everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited because I'm opening Ipsy, always excited about that, but also there's a giveaway in this video with 4 winners, so stay tuned for that. So this is the first of the new monthly giveaway series I announced a few weeks ago, I think, whenever it was. I can't believe it's already like almost a third into November. It's November 9th. Like I meant to post this or the giveaway by the 1st. I thought it was, but it's the 9th. I don't know. I say it all the time, but time just keeps going faster. It's gonna be like Christmas tomorrow. But anyways, I have my PR bags for Ipsy and Ipsy Plus, some new refreshment items from Ipsy, and then at some point we'll talk about the giveaway, so stay tuned on how to enter. Super excited about this, and just wait till December, you guys. Oh my god, I am so excited. I'm already planning for the December giveaways, and there's way more winners than 4. It's my big way of saying thanks to you guys for all your love and support. You're the best. And yeah, if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, and I open them like 5 days a week here on our channel. And yeah, today we're opening Ipsy. So Ipsy will be linked down below for any of you who are not subscribed or want to. So the $12 bag is the original Ipsy bag, and then we have the $25 Ipsy bag as well. How about we start off with the refreshments? And sorry if I'm off, you guys. I'm not feeling the best. So I kind of put you far away today. I'm like, it's a mess over here. I put on this like red eyeliner. I'm like, maybe that'll make me look better. But I got these Mexican pre-sunflowers from 7-Eleven. Just look at those. But anyways, okay. Refreshments. So you can have you have the ability to add on like everyday type items for a low cost if you're an Ipsy member to your bags. And I was so happy when I saw this. I was literally about to order a new razor on Amazon because I left mine in Spain, and it's been like 2 weeks almost since I've been back. So thanks, Ipsy. Dazzling 5-blade razor kit. So you get, I think, 2 razor blades in here, and then obviously the little thing you put the razor on. Is that just called the razor? I don't know. And you also get like one of those little sticky things so you can hang it in your shower. Wait, can you see it? Yeah, I can pull it out. I'm actually like, it's like 2 a.m. I'm so tired. But now I'm feeling good. I knew doing this would make me feel better. How are you guys? I don't mean to complain. I'm sorry if it seems that way. So it's nice and pink. Oh. Navigable. Just like their other stuff. And then they have shaving cream too as well, which I've used. I like it. But their new item is a shampoo. And this is their Oh My Moisture Shampoo. Freesia Float is the scent. Same packaging as usual. It's supposed to reduce frizz, frantic frizz. I need to smell it. There is a safety seal. I feel like they give good sizes for all their stuff. 8 fluid ounces. Smells good, like fresh scent. I guess Freesia, that makes sense. And all their products are always vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. They don't have gluten. What else does it say? They're skin friendly, dermatologist tested, all that. So awesome, thank you, Ipsy. And they also have like makeup wipes and other things like that. I think I've tried most of the things. Deodorants, natural deodorants. Personally, the deodorants didn't work for me. I only have one that does though. Oops, I almost grabbed one of the giveaway bags. That's not what I need. So the theme for Ipsy this month is like, treat yourself like a royal, or something about royals. And here we have our plus bag is royal blue and has a crown on it and stuff. I love the color of this one. They're both like velvet, or this one's velvet feeling. Look at that, so cute. I love green. Green and blue are my favorite colors actually. I go back and forth on what's the top one, but I think green, especially because I'm all about abundance. And look, it matches my couch. Nice. So how about we start off with this? Sorry guys, I had to take off my sweater. It's hot here right now with it light on. I usually don't film with the lighting because it's usually earlier, but with time change, it's dark so early now. So I'm not going to explain all the details. I already told you the price. I'm pretty sure everyone knows. But what do we have here? Cake butter. Cake. Whipped body butter by Tarte, or Sugar Rush, Tarte brand. Sorry, I know you guys are far. And then we have by Danessa Myricks, Vision Flush Lips, Cheek, and Eye Color. And so we're probably not going to swatch anything today because I got a lot of giveaways coming up, and I've got a lot of stuff already. So I'm sorry. If anyone's tried this, it's in the shade Tiara. Let's see if it describes the... whatever. I'd rather not show you and give it to you than swatch it and then have it sitting in one of my drawers. But next up we have the Makiage Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color in Bella. And this one I could look at. It doesn't have that plastic wrapping. And this is full size. So yeah, you get some full size items in these $12 bags. It's awesome. Ooh. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna come closer to show you this. See how it's like ribbed? Is it not work? The shadow. No, I think you can see it. But that looks really pretty, doesn't it? Wear it to a holiday party if you're going to any. Even a virtual one. And then, okay, this, I already opened it. I tried it. Where's the cap to this? But we have a lip oil. Okay, like stuff like that I go through because I use moisturizing lip products more often than lip color. Shoot, I'll find it later. I lost the cap and I don't want to get anything. But this is by Sophia and Mabel. For a second I thought it was going to be another Sugar Rush product. It's in Beach Please tinted lip oil. It's like barely tinted, I think. It smells good. Yeah. It's like a light pink. More glossy looking. But yeah, I love lip oils. We've known this for a while. Since the Yensa lip oil. That was the first one. That was like 2 years ago. Right? Or more? That seems like forever ago. Then we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I like this. It works really well. I like this better than their newer masks. Like the avocado one, I just thought it sounded so good just because I want to like, eat them. But I think this one works the best for my hair at least. And is that everything for this? Yes, that's everything for the $12 bag. So let's move on to the $25 bag. And sorry guys, I'm struggling today. I know I've probably seen how I am. I hope it's just a little cold or something. I was so excited. I heard this month from Diana that they were featuring my favorite mascara, which I haven't had in a while. But I was in Spain, and I think I missed the choice date, but guess what, you guys? Thrive Cosmetics. I'm so happy to have it back in my life again. I mean, I was grateful to like be able to try other mascaras because I only used this for like over a year. Like I had no thoughts to get my other mascaras or anything, and like I like this so much. If you have hooded eyes or you suffer, like if you get raccoon eyes, not really suffering, but you know, it kind of is. Try this. It comes off so easy. You don't wake up with that like whole like dark raccoon mess on your eyes in the morning, even when you took makeup off the night before, like a double cleanse. I don't know. And like I always get it up here, like because I have hooded lids. So that does not happen to me with the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I love this stuff. I think it's like $24. Well, I know unless they increased the price recently, and nothing compares. It's kind of funny I said nothing compares because on the TV is YouTube behind me. And I love the Chris Cornell version of that song. And it says, like, listen again. And we just talked about Yensa. I've never tried this one. This is their Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. I've heard good things about this. But I'm probably going to give it to one of you guys. If you guys have tried it, leave a comment down below. Should I keep it? And next we have a Luminizing Primer by Camelina and Strobe. I haven't heard of a lot of these companies, but I think that's cool. I think I asked this last time. I don't remember if I saw an answer. Is the whole like BoxyCharm and Ipsy merging, like, has that happened yet? Because I haven't really noticed any change. Like, I like how Ipsy features more brands, you know, and stuff like that, but I don't know. Oh, Glossier. I've never really tried anything by them. It's a cleanser. I got the Milky Micellar Water from them before, but I think I sold it or gave it away. So, Milk Jelly Cleanser Conditioning Face Wash. This is a deluxe side, I think. Or is this a, I don't know. When they send the PR bag, they put everything in the box together, so sometimes I mix up the placement of them. I'm guessing this is deluxe size. But the last item is a full-size item, and it's BFF Best Face Forward Balancing Serum. Ooh, it has a bunch of stuff I like. HA, BHA, HA, niacinamide. Helps to balance oil production and prevent future breakouts. Nice. I keep breaking out around my mouth. So, this sounds really good. Hydrating and preventing breakouts. A lot of times those are drying, so that's great. Suffer from both. Like me. I don't really get dry, but when I use acne treatments, I do. So I feel like I just sped through that really quick. Sorry, I'm just ready to like lay down and ready to show you guys. I'm not going to go through all the products, but I'm going to show you these bagged stuffed things for 4 of you. So it's always easy to enter my giveaways. It's all to give back to my subscribers. That's why there's rules. Like there has to be something we pick comments from. So all the rules will be down below, but super simple. You have to be subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. And you can come back and comment every day. So this is going to run until the end of the month, and I'll pick a winner on December 1st. I haven't decided if I want to like do a video or like do a live or something. I don't know. I'll keep you updated. But on the 1st, it will be announced. There'll be 4 winners. And like I said, you can leave a comment. I use a random comment generator to pick the winner, and then I make sure you follow the rules, like subscribe and everything. And then there's bonus entries as well. So I have another channel kitty outside the box. So if you guys want to subscribe there, I'll leave a link to a specific video so you can comment there. And again, you can comment every day if you want to, however many times you want. And that will be how I track over there. So you'll get a bonus entry for both. And yeah, I am super excited, you guys. I'm super excited for next month. So I probably will announce the winners when I also announce what I'm going to do in December for you guys. So I already had 2 of these bags fully stuffed and sealed, so I don't know exactly what's in them. I did like 2 weeks ago or something. I looked over there because I've been going through all my stuff. I am decluttering. I just want less stuff. I want to get back to you. Like, I know how I got this boxes and stuff, but I don't know how it accumulates, especially after I moved and got rid of like 75% of my things, or I'm just making that number up, but a lot. But yeah, anyways, so these are USPS priority bags, stuffed full and sealed, and then there's been 2 other ones. So I can show you a few things, man. I'm gonna put more in. That's why these ones aren't sealed, because I've been going through all my boxes, and I have some more to open too that you guys might like. And I don't know if I mentioned this. You can be living anywhere in the world. I'll pay shipping, but I've heard like sometimes you have to pay like duties or tax when it gets to you, depending on your country. So that would be up to you if you did one if you're out of the country. But I don't know anything about that personally, but I will ship it to you. Speaking of Ipsy, here's one of their deodorants right here. And everything in these are new. I just felt the need to say that because I was talking about how I've tried theirs before. We have some Elemis, some Glow Recipe, Pharmacy. Oh, God, there's so much stuff here. Ciate London Makeup. So it'll be mostly skincare and makeup, and then like maybe some lifestyle things. And I think one of the other bags is like a purse in it. But yeah, I'm gonna fit as much stuff as I can in there. So if you're one of the winners and it doesn't have a card in it, it's because it's already sealed. I would just break it open, but I don't want to waste a bag. I mean, I can always just get more, but I don't want to be wasteful. Maybe I'll leave a note, like I'll write on the outside of it. Why am I so concerned with it? But yeah, so thank you guys so much for all of your support and everything. I think you guys are the best, and I really want to give back to you. I wish I could send each and every one of you something. If shipping was free, I'd be like, you know, like sending stuff to you guys all the time. So yeah, it was when I did a video like updating you guys on things and stuff, and it's titled like, I'm sorry, I decided to do this monthly giveaway thing because I think it's like fair. So maybe I'm not on time all the time. We all know that already, but every month there will be a giveaway. There might be way more than that in December. I'm so excited. I already started thinking about it like a week ago. Like, I just want to give back to you guys because you're so amazing. So yeah, I can't wait to read your comments. Let me know what you think about Ipsy. Sorry I flew through everything. Sorry I look like and feel like crap. Well, I don't know. I'm not why I'm saying sorry I feel that way, but look that way, and I'm acting that way. My face is like really up close to these flowers. I love sunflowers. I'm planting them now. But I will stop here. I think I mentioned everything for the giveaway. If you have any questions, just ask me. Leave a comment down below, because you have to anyways. And if you don't want to enter, you can say don't enter me or something, but please enter. I want to give you stuff. So yeah, and if you want to see more about what's in these other giveaways, let me know. Like, oh, you can use the recipe. I'm looking at the other one now. We have some like face tools, bath bombs. Jewelry. Yeah, there's jewelry in both of them too. Like at least 2 pieces of jewelry in each. So, yay! I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being my friend. I love you guys so much. I don't know what I would do without you. You mean everything to me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you super soon. Bye.